everyone. So today we will talk about a very hot topic जो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है, that is MNRF, माइक्रो नीडलिंग रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी. क्या है ये और हम इसको कहाँ कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं, इसका प्री ट्रीटमेंट क्या होना चाहिए, पोस्ट ट्रीटमेंट केयर क्या होनी चाहिए, आज हम इन सब चीजों के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So if you are looking to enhance your skin texture, gaining your youthful glow and improving your fine lines and wrinkles, then this video is for you. So let's talk about what is MNRF. क्या होता है ये माइक्रो नीडलिंग रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी? As name suggests, micro needling and radio frequency. Both treatments are combining together to giving you a better result. So what is micro needling? Micro needling are helping in creating the micro channels on the skin surface कि ताकि आपका collagen and elastin production हो. On the other hand, what is radio frequency? Radio frequency using the energy waves to getting into the deeper layers of the skin and promoting the skin tightening and further collagen production. So जब ये दोनों इकट्ठे मिलेंगे तो और better results आपको मिल सकते हैं. The next question is कौन ये MNRF करवा सकता है? MNRF is a very versatile treatment. It can use to lighter skin tones as well as in the darker skin tones. And various skin indications में भी हम MNRF को use कर सकते हैं. First is acne scars. Acne scars में हम MNRF को use करते हैं कि ताकि जितने deep scars हैं वो सारे आपके skin surface पर आ जाएं और skin rejuvenation में आपकी help हो. Second is for fine lines and wrinkles. So having or achieving a youthful glow or minimizing these fine lines and wrinkles, MNRF is the good option for you. The third is skin laxity. If you feeling कि आपकी skin sag कर रही है, skin downward जा रही है, skin में उतना quality thinning of the skin हो रही है, तो yes, you can have the MNRF sessions for tightening of the skin. The fourth is uneven skin tone. Yes, MNRF also helps in achieving a youthful glow along with decreasing in the pigmentation. So the third question is किस को MNRF नहीं कराना चाहिए? Who should avoid MNRF? So while MNRF is very safe for almost everyone, but in certain conditions MNRF को हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. The first condition is having the tendency of the formation of the keloids. और आप ऐसी certain medications पर हैं या पहले आपको keloid हुआ है तो MNRF is not a good option for you. The second is the people who have certain infections, active wounds, psoriasis or eczema. So उन लोगों को ये MNRF नहीं कराना चाहिए. So the third is pregnancy and the breastfeeding women shouldn't take these MNRF sessions. So the fourth question is when and how often you should go for the MNRF. So the first thing first, depending on the condition, if you have acne scars, तब उसमें sessions अलग जाएंगे. If you are going for a anti-aging treatments, उसके according sessions अलग जाएंगे. But most of the people can get a good results in just 3 to 4 sessions in 4 to 6 weeks apart. And however, you should have a maintenance sessions after every 6 to 12 months to make sure कि आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा rejuvenated लगे. So the fifth topic is the benefits of the MNRF. Why we choose MNRF over microneedling or simple radio frequency? The first is it is minimally invasive. Unlike other surgical procedures, it has little or no downtime. The second is it is customizable. हम आपकी ही skin concern के according microneedling की depth, radio frequency की energy हम आपकी ही skin के concern के according उसको modify कर सकते हैं. The third is long lasting result. जितना भी इसने collagen produce किया है, जितना भी इसका effect आया है, can last up to several months. The fourth is it is safer for all Indian skin types. Either it is light, medium, darker skin tone, and with minimal hyperpigmentation concern. So let's talk about potential side effects. While MNRF is pretty much safe, but a little bit of side effects can be a little bit of swelling, little bit of bruising. So the potential side effect, the first is redness and swelling. So redness and swelling is a mild complication and it can be last up to 2 to 3 days, and you can apply moisturizer for reducing that side effect. Second side effect may be minor or pinpoint bleeding points or minor bruises. This can be due to microneedling doing the little bit of channels on the skin surface. So it can be healed in just 2 to 3 hours or maybe 2 to 3 days. The third side effect is the hyperpigmentation. It is very rare, especially if aftercare instructions are not followed properly. The fourth is infection. It is extremely rare until and unless proper medical sterilization moisturization is not available at that clinic or any provider, so always choose a certified provider for these treatments. Let's talk about how we can increase the MNRF results with these post-treatment care, and how can we increase or achieve the beautiful result with just these simple post-care tips. The first is avoid sun exposure or apply sunscreen religiously. It should be SPF 50 plus or PA++, or you should apply at least 2 to 3 times a day or after every 2 to 3 hours. The second is moisturize and hydrate. So please drink water, minimum 8 to 9 glasses of water after the treatment, and apply moisturizer in a religious manner. You can apply moisturizer after every 2 to 3 hours to avoid the dryness of the skin. So the third is avoid any actives of your skincare routine, either retinol, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. You should avoid any kind of actives. Just apply moisturizer and sunscreen for the first few days or maybe a week. So the fourth is follow your doctor's advice. Stick to the professional skincare regimen as given by your doctor. So MNRF is a very powerful treatment and a versatile treatment, and it can help in achieving beautiful results in just 2 to 3 sessions. It can help you achieving smoother and youthful skin without any invasive surgery. If you're looking to reduce any type of scar, any deep scars or acne scars, or if you want to treat your skin laxity, skin sagginess, then MNRF is a very good option for you. So consult your doctor first if you are a good candidate or not. I hope आपको ये hot topic थोड़ा सा मैं अच्छे से explain कर पाई होंगी, and I hope आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. मैं कुछ समझा पाई होंगी what is MNRF, हमें क्यों जाना चाहिए, इन treatments को क्यों लेना चाहिए, for in fact anti-aging also, not for the कि हाँ आपके scars हैं हम तो ही MNRF ले रहे हैं. No, it's not like that. आप anti-aging में भी MNRF procedures का avail कर सकते हैं. At least once or twice a year भी आप इसको avail कर सकते हो. But make sure to consult your doctor first if you are right candidate or not. I hope आपको ये वीडियो मेरी अच्छी लगी हो. अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूले, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.